let me close my drawers. It's just you. Well, come on over. Look, I made this spot just for you because I'm glad you're here. Yeah, you know, I felt like something was different when I came down here this morning. It just felt like someone was actually watching. You're actually watching. Thank you. Actually, we need to talk. I'm coming up on I guess I posted my first video in June of 2018. When Adam and I were at that event together at Windy Hill Foundry, I had 153 or 154 subscribers, not even 155. So it took me almost 2 years to get like barely over 150 subscribers. And then Adam posted that video of the first part of his Windy Hill Foundry trip, and like, bam! You guys showed up. Now, as of this recording, I am at 6,940 this morning. So thank you. And Adam, from the very absolute bottom of my little cast iron heart, thank you. You did me such a solid favor by endorsing me on your channel like that. I am like out of my mind. And if you can ever think of anything that I could do, that you need, that I could help you with, let me know. And I will, it's whatever you need. Also, you, Adam made you promise, and you kept your promise, and you came over here and you subscribed to my channel, the Cast Iron Gypsy channel. So it wasn't just Adam, you did this too. So thank you. You all are amazing. And some of you even joined the Cast Iron Patreon crew. I've had my Patreon page set up like as long as my YouTube channel, so since like June of 2018, and I had done some posts, like Patreon only posts, but like maybe not a lot of people were subscribing to my channel, but nobody was watching the Patreon only feed, so it seemed really silly. But now I'm gonna do some work to develop major exclusive content for that platform. Now that that's off my chest, I feel a lot better, but I want to also thank Clark Easterling for hosting the event at the Windy Hill Foundry, giving me the opportunity to meet all those guys. Not only did I meet Adam, but I also met James Kilroy, Gary from Tools for Machines, Mike Wiggins from the Backyard Machine Shop, and Keith Rucker from Vintage Machinery. I mean, I learned so much from those guys. It was like I gained a year's worth of knowledge in that time, and I'm most excited about what I can learn from you all. Many of you messaged me saying that Abom had sent you and that you were machinists or fabricators or had background in foundry, and I realized that I've gained this huge new diverse resource of knowledge and experience, and I can't wait to talk to you and tap into what you have to help me. Okay, I get blah blah blah, thank you, like I get it, like she talks a lot. I just wanted to say thanks, but let's get to the good stuff, I guess. Most of you already know this, but for those of you who are late to the game, I am a iron casting metal artist. I use many different types of metal in my work, and contemporary and traditional tools and techniques. I'm most known for my decorative tiny tool series and for the cast in place stones in my cast iron pieces. That's where I embed faceted stones into a sand mold and then pour molten iron into that mold, and then the iron in molten form will grab onto the stone and then keep it in place forever. That's why it's called cast in place. So yeah, I don't have my own running furnace. I don't really want one, and industrial foundries are like, you want to do what? So to get my iron poured, I have to travel around the country and participate in other iron pours that are organized by my fellow iron casting artists. This might come as a shock to you, but there's actually a lot of us. This is footage from the 2019 Contemporary Conference of Cast Iron Art and Practices, which was held at Sloss National Historic Landmark in Birmingham, Alabama. This was the pour floor at the last Western Conference held by the Western Cast Iron Art Alliance. And this was the pour crew from the last Fire Conference that was hosted by the National Ornamental Metal Museum in Memphis, Tennessee. And there's way more. I could keep going. The stuff that we do also is crazy. I mean, those of you that thought a little bit of iron splatter was bad at the Windy Hill Foundry, we throw molten iron around for fun. Or we'll take a big ladle and we'll pour it onto a free rotating wheel so it slings around everywhere. I mean, we also do responsible things like make artwork. Don't worry. This Cast Iron Gypsy channel is your portal into my world. If you want to see more of me doing metalworking or casting iron or just traveling around the countryside, then stay tuned. If you were entertained by this video, give it a thumbs up so it can be seen by more people. And if you've made it this far into the video and you haven't subscribed to the Cast Iron Gypsy channel, please do. We're in this together, and with your support, I can really show you and the world some amazing things. As always, thanks for watching. I love you, and I'll see you at the next pour.